So first we will start with discussing the MCQ on Forex topic. This was the first topic which we have discussed. So we'll start with the Forex topic only. Okay. So you can keep a notebook and writing material. And if you want, you can note and keep the MCQs so that you can revise it whenever you are preparing the subject. So first we will start the discussing with the MCQs on Forex, foreign exchange markets. So first MCQ, multiple choice question C. Forex market play a critical role in facilitating. So what is the important role of Forex market? See, four options are given: cross-border trade, investment, financial transaction, all the above. So which is the correct answer? All the above. Correct. Because Forex market will facilitate your cross-border trade, import-export, investments, FDI, FPI. Then financial transactions are also facilitated by Forex market. So correct answer is all the above. So these are also the some of the functions of Forex market also, you can say: cross-border trade, investment, financial transactions. See, an act which is enacted to regulate payments and foreign exchange in India is FERA, FEMA, FEDI, and FIMDA. Okay, at present, which act is present? FEMA. Correct. So FEMA is a Foreign Exchange Management Act. 1999, it is still present. Okay. Now here, two options are there. FERA is also there and FEMA is also there. Actually, FERA is now abolished. But if you will go by the words, regulation, regulate payments, okay, then you can apply FERA also. But at present, it is FEMA. Okay, see here, they have taken the first option, FERA, because here word indicates regulation, no? And we have seen the objective of FERA was regulating the forex trade. Okay, though it is not applicable now, but here if you go by the exact wordings of the question, regulation, so it will be Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Okay, this will be more appropriate answer, because main purpose of FERA was to regulate the payment and foreign exchange in India. Okay, here instead of is, it should be was, if you go by logic, because FERA is not applicable now. Dash, an act initiated for facilitating external trade, payments, and promote orderly management of foreign exchange market in the country. It is obviously FEMA. So FEMA purpose is to facilitate external trade and promote orderly management of forex market in the country. So whenever if regulation is used, you select the FERA, but though it is not applicable now, and now applicable act is FEMA, which is facilitating the external trade, payments and promote orderly management of the forex market in the country. Clear? Okay, next is all operations aspect of interbank market are governed by guidelines and code of conduct of. Okay, see, all operational aspect of interbank market. Interbank market means dealings among different authorized dealers from one bank to another bank. We have seen that foreign exchange market in India is regulated by RBA. First thing. Second thing, and for interbank market, there is also one more association which is governing that code of conduct, etc., is given by FEDI. So as far as interbank market is concerned, it will be both A and B, RBA and FEDI both. Okay, because RBA is the main authority which will regulate the foreign exchange market in India. Clear? First thing. But as far as interbank market is concerned, there is also one association, no? Foreign Exchange Dealers Association. They will also issue the code of conduct. We have discussed already. So here, interbank market will be regulated by both RBA and FEDI. So correct answer will be both A and B. Okay. Third answer is FEMA. Okay. Main authority in India is RBA for controlling the foreign exchange market. But interbank market will also be regulated by FEDI also. Function of FEDI is to frame rules governing the conduct of foreign exchange market business. Yes. Liaison with the RBA. Correct. Development of foreign exchange market. All these things. So correct answer will be D, all the above. These are some of the functions of FEDI. It will frame the rules. Then it will interact with the RBI for reforms. Then it will help in developing the foreign exchange market in India. So these are the functions of FEDI. So all the above will be the answer. RBI and FEDA issue guidelines to all banks regarding risk to identify risk, measure risk, manage risk. All these things should be done, no? All the above, correct. Because first you have to identify the risk, then you have to measure the risk, then you have to manage the risk. So all three things are required. So guideline will be issued regarding all the above. Because first you have to identify what is the risk, from where risk will come, what are the areas of risk. Then you have to measure that risk, quantify that risk. Then you have to manage that risk properly. So all the above things are important. Clear? Okay, one more MCQ is there. Dealing room manual and code of conduct for dealers is given by FEDA and FIMMDA. FEDA and FMMDA, both A and B. What is the full form of FIMMDA? That you note and keep. It can also be important for exam. So you can write and keep this paragraph. Dealing room manual and code of conduct for dealers are given by FEDI, that is Foreign Exchange Dealers Association, India, and FIMMDA is the Fixed Income Market, Money Market and Derivatives Association of India. Okay, Fixed Income, Money Market and Derivatives Association of India. So these two organizations together give the dealing room manual and code of conduct for dealers. How they have to conduct, what is the code of conduct for the dealers? Okay. Code of conduct is very important for every business activity, because if code of conduct is not there, there will be taking manipulations in operations. So it is very important that some organization or authority should give some code of conduct, that how you should conduct yourself. That is a very important thing. So for dealers in foreign exchange market, code of conduct and manual, that is the procedures book, is given by FEDA and FIMMDA together, Fixed Income, Money Market and Derivatives Association of India. Clear this much, everybody? Noted all the objectives today, what we will discuss. Okay. So some more MCQs we will discuss in the upcoming classes also. So we'll try to discuss the MCQs in the coming classes also.